Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the essentials. Python 3. X installed and added to path. This lets the system find Python. exe. Once done, open command prompt on Windows or a terminal on Mac and Linux. Now type Python version or Pi-3 version to confirm. You should see a 3x number. If you don't, make sure the installer's path box was checked or add the installation folder to path manually. This first check saves time later and proves the interpreter is reachable. Next, set or fix path so the command prompt finds Python. On Windows, use System Settings right arrow environment variables, add the install folder, then open a new command prompt. On Mac/Linux, export path in /bashrc or /zshrc and source the file. Use where Python or which Python to confirm the path to the executable. Once confirmed, run Python print hi to execute a one-line script. This proves commands and scripts run from the shell without launching the REPL. Finally, run real scripts by navigating to the folder and typing Python script. Pi or Pi-3 script. Pi. For projects, create a virtualenv with Python mvenv and activate it so dependencies stay isolated. Make sure file associations won't block execution. Use full paths if needed. If something goes wrong, first reopen the shell to pick up path changes, then run where Python or which Python to verify the correct executable. Key troubleshooting tip: verify path and.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.